Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Nasrin Parasalai. In today's video, we are going to study about the structure, size, functions of antibodies or also called as immunoglobulins. This video has created from exam point of view, that too for GATE Biotechnology notes. I also solved previous year question paper along with this video. So please watch the full video without skipping. This video are easy to memorize since they are available in note format. We are going to study by comparing all the antibodies. Let's get started. So this is in comparison. I had taken this from website called Microbiology Info. So we all know there are five immunoglobulins. IgM, which is a pentamer, IgG, which is a monomer, IgA, which is a secondary dimer, and here there is a secretory IgA, which have a secretory component, and it is a dimer, IgE monomer, IgE monomer. And these are the heavy chain called mu, gamma, alpha, epsilon, and delta. Number of antigenic binding site. The highest is 10. So here it is a pentamer. So there are two antigenic sites. So it is 10. Monomer 2. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 antigenic sites. And IgE having 2, 1, 2. IgD also 2. So in case of monomer, it will have 2 antigenic binding site. In case of dimer, it have 4 antigenic binding site. And in case of pentamer, it have 10 antigenic binding site. The highest molecular weight is IgM. Percentage of total antibody serum is the highest molecular weight is IgM. But the highest amount of which antibody is present more means 80% means IgG. The lowest is IgE. We all know IgE will be produced at the time of infection. So next, among the five, which crosses placenta? Only IgG has the ability to cross the placenta. Then another thing, among the five, which fixes the complement, that is, which is involved in complement fixation. Only IgM and IgG are good at complement fixation. And rest of the three, that is IgA, IgE, IgD, are not involved in fixing complement. Then the Fc portion binding. For example, if you take IgG, Fc portion of IgG binds phagocytes. But if you take IgE, the Fc portion binds to mast cell and basophil. Function. The main function of IgM is that it is involved in primary responses by fixing the complement, and also the monomer of this IgM also serving as a B cell receptor. The function of IgG is that it neutralizes a toxin and involved in process of opsonization. IgE is secreted in mucus, tears, saliva, colostrum. IgE is involved in allergic and antiparasitic activity. IgD, there is no well-known function, but it is acting as a B cell receptor. So the detailed function I have given as a note format here. IgE, it provides a long-term protection for a month, and it gives protection against bacteria, virus. It also neutralizes a bacteria toxin by triggering the complement system. It is involved in phagocytosis process. IgA is a first line of defense against in the mucosal surfaces. The next thing is that IgM, it is involved in ABO blood group antigen on the surface of RBC. This is a very important point. Definitely you will get questions among this. IgM is also involved in enhancing the injection of cells by phagocytosis. So this IgM is involved in, it is present in ABO blood group antigen, and it is present in the surface of ABC. IgM is also used in injection of cell by phagocytosis. IgE binds with mast cells and basophil, and it is also having an antiparasitic activity. IgD, it has no role in induction of, it has no role as immunity, but it is involved in inducing the production of antibody, and also it is present in the surface of B cell. So you might get a question like match the following, saying that among the following which is a pentamer, or what is an antigen binding site of IgM, or among this which crosses placenta, or which is having a highest antibody present in serum, like that you may get question. Prepare my video in that aspect so that it will be easy for you. If you liked my content or if you want more notes for GATE Biotechnology, then please subscribe to my channel. and in the comment section tell me for which thing you need notes. Thanks for watching friends.